What's up, everyone? This is your man, Mr. Fulton. I am trying something new, something fresh. I am trying today the um, Angel Strawberry Angel Food Cake from Dairy Cream, the new one. And we're going to see how this tastes. So here we go. Don't forget to like, leave a general comment, and share the stream. I appreciate it. So here we go. And it's topped with whipped cream. It's got a little some cake pieces in here, and red frosting and everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a general comment, and share the stream. Let me know what other food videos I can do again, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.